a Trooper production. This episode is A Day at the Office.
Hey Mark, did you get those papers filed yet?
No.
I'm gonna take your suitcase now.
I saw what you did.
I stole my friend's suitcase. What are you gonna do about it?
Computer off, time to go home. Where's my case? Oh, there it is. Thanks, Betty.
No!